Earth's underwater monsters are waking up.
Deep down in the crushing darkness of the abyss, our planet hides most of its volcanic power.
When you picture a volcano, you probably think of a fiery mountain on land, but those are nothing compared to what's hiding under the waves.
Deep down in the crushing darkness of the abyss, our planet hides most of its volcanic power.
Together, they account for roughly 3 out of every 4 magma flows that reach Earth's surface.
For a long time, most of them have been silent, but now, something is starting to change.
The mystery begins. Strange rumbles in the deep.
Around the globe, seismic stations have been picking up strange, deep rumbles.
In May 2018, near the island of Mayotte, thousands of tremors shook the region.
A massive 5.9 magnitude quake hit, leaving scientists baffled.
Soon, they noticed the island itself was sinking and shifting east.
The people living there were witnessing the first signs of something enormous. Earth's underwater monsters are waking up.
Chapter 1. The Scientific Hunt.
The seismic swarm around Mayotte was a huge mystery.
Signals weren't from a typical quake. They came from deep inside Earth.
A fleet of French research vessels set out to hunt the source. Exploring the seafloor 3,500 meters down is no easy task.
It's a world of absolute darkness and crushing pressure.
Teams used sonar to map 8,000 square kilometers of seabed.
They sent down remotely operated vehicles. Eyes in the abyss.
What they found would rewrite volcanic history.
Chapter 2. The Revelation.
50 kilometers off the coast, the hunt paid off. Rising 820 meters from the seafloor, a brand new volcano appeared, taller than the Burj Khalifa with a 5-kilometer base. In less than a year, the largest active submarine eruption was born. The eruption unleashed over 5 cubic kilometers of lava.
The mystery of the moving island was finally solved.
A deep magma chamber had drained to build this new monster.
The land above began to sink and shift. For the first time, the world had watched an underwater giant's birth. Earth's underwater monsters are real, and they are waking up.
Chapter 3. The Bigger Picture. The Mayotte discovery isn't a one-off event.
Across the Pacific, scientists watch the Axial Seamount closely.
Located 300 miles off the Oregon coast, it's highly active. Located 300 miles off the Oregon coast, it's highly active.
The volcano inflates like a balloon as magma builds inside.
Right now, it has reached the same threshold as past eruptions.
The forecast points to one thing: eruption before the end of 2025.
This is a rare chance to watch a forecasted eruption.
It could be a Rosetta Stone for volcano science.
The Eruption of Tonga. In 2022, the Hunga Tonga eruption was the largest of the century.
It blasted ash higher into the atmosphere than ever recorded.
The eruption sent shockwaves around the globe multiple times.
Enough water entered the stratosphere to fill 58,000 Olympic pools.
Sleeping giants of the ocean. The ocean hides countless sleeping giants, waiting to awaken.